So, do you remember? I want you to go back in time and remember what was the name of that show? It was Kit and the David Hasselhoff was
Knight Rider.
Knight Rider, that's the one. Remember the hood on the Knight Rider car? That's what this is.
It is not.
No, it's not. This is what is known as the Cyclops light, or the center high-mounted stop lamp that is required for state inspection in the state of Texas. This must function. And you're like, okay, so why do I have this in my hand? Well, again, because the vehicle came in from out of state and it needed a state inspection, this did not function. We have to, when this is mounted in the vehicle, this piece comes out this way, which brings it up against the glass. So we could...
The back glass.
The back glass, yes. So what we could do...
Lower the trunk so we can see what you're talking about. So that's the trunk.
Here's the trunk.
And it's supposed to be
here.
Inside.
See, this piece goes right here up against the glass.
Right.
So we could take out the windshield, which at this point, the age of the car and whatnot, it would probably break. And we don't want to do that. We want to cause as little further damage or harm as we can. So let me show you what we had to do. Look at this. Here's the rear seat up on top of the roof. There's a driver's seat right here. And take a look on the inside of the car. We had to remove the rear panels, take out both seats, take out the piece for the trunk, just so we could get to the top shelf area behind the windshield and the rear seat. All of this just to replace the Cyclops lamp. Wow. Another reason for you to see why sometimes it costs so much to get your cars fixed. It's not necessarily the cost of the part, it's all the labor that it takes to get to the silly little part. And then of course this part had to be special ordered, it was not in stock. Again, a further delay due to the supply chain issues that we're all experiencing right now. If you're looking for good, honest auto repair, come see us at Jupiter and Plano Parkway. Call us at 972-578-0588 or make your appointments online at www.theautoshop.com. Of course, I'm Jerry Kezhaya. Thanks for watching. This is the Auto Shop. This is obviously our inside the workspace. And again, sign up, subscribe, send all your friends to check us out, and most of all, send us your cars. We're happy to help you. See you, everybody.